I've got my stock taped off and marked. Now if I were going to change the pitch, I would have calculated the pitch and drawn the line full length on our tape, but since I was going to duplicate the original pitch, I'm going to use the original stock to line me up, a little quicker. If otherwise, we would line up on the line that we've previously drawn. Okay, now we lay it down on the chop saw table, and since the factory normally will have the buttstock trued on the end, and it needs to be true, we will have to shim the stock up until the buttstock is perpendicular to the table, and the blade already is perpendicular to the table. So we would, and you see, we are not shim. We are not plumb. So we're going to put a shim under the front of the stock and try it again. We still aren't square. Put another one. And by golly, we're square. So we've got it now, the stock, so it's sitting perpendicular to the table, or parallel to the table. Don't forget to remove your... Most pads, when you get them, do not have the slot or the hole for the screw. So we have to figure out where to put that and how to do it. I recommend that you make a slot or an X or a T. Don't drill a round hole and don't simply poke the screw through. It will give you a little better, cleaner looking hole in the pad. If you do it right and lubricate it, you might not even have any visible hole. Okay, to find out where the screw goes, you simply put it through the bottom of the pad and push up. With a sharp knife, you simply push it in and make a cut. You do that to both. The top and bottom both have the same thing. Then you take the pad and grease that area and push the screw through, but let the head stick out. I'll use a little break for you here. This helps so that you don't abrade the pad when you push the screw through. You want the screw to stick up just slightly above flush with the bottom of the pad. And then,
again, a little bit of soap. Find your slot. Now, if you notice what I'm doing, I have a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's made for recoil pad screws, and it's polished here and it's real skinny. Reason why is it keeps it from abrading the rubber or the material of the recoil pad. See how easy that goes in?